Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use coupons on TEMU in 2025. Yes, it still works. So make sure to watch till the end to grab all the savings. Let's jump right in. First, open the TEMU app and then browse for the product you want to buy. In this example, I have picked out a really cool watch. Once you have found your item, add it to your cart. Now go to your cart, you'll see your selected item there. Next, tap on checkout. Scroll down until you reach the payment method section. Pick that one that works best for you. For example, Google Pay. Now scroll a bit further until you see the apply coupon code option. Tap on it. If you have any active coupons, they will show up right here. Just select that one you want to and hit apply. Boom, your discount, cashback, or benefits will be applied to the total instantly. Once everything looks good, click submit order and you are done. And that's it. That's how you can easily use coupons on TEMU in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.